Reading. For questions 31 to 35, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Studying abroad is a transformative experience that encompasses far more than just academic pursuits. It's a lifestyle characterized by a unique blend of challenges and opportunities where students embark on a journey of self-discovery while immersing themselves in new cultures and environments. Universities and colleges abroad offer a diverse array of academic programs ranging from the humanities to STEM fields, providing students with the opportunity to explore their passions and broaden their intellectual horizons. In lecture halls and seminar rooms, students engage in lively discussions, exchange ideas with peers from around the world, and delve into subjects that inspire and challenge them beyond the classroom. Studying abroad is an exercise in cultural immersion, whether navigating the streets of a bustling metropolis or exploring the tranquil countryside. Students are constantly exposed to new customs, traditions, and ways of life, from sampling exotic cuisine to participating in local festivals and celebrations. Every day brings a new opportunity to learn and grow. One of the most rewarding aspects of studying abroad is the opportunity to form meaningful connections with people from diverse backgrounds. Whether through organized student groups, shared living arrangements, or chance encounters, students forge friendships that transcend cultural boundaries. These relationships not only enrich their experience abroad but also provide a support network as they navigate the challenges of living in a foreign country. Of course, studying abroad is not without its challenges. For many students, adjusting to life in a new country can be daunting. From language barriers to cultural differences, there are myriad obstacles to overcome. Homesickness is a common experience as students grapple with being far from family and familiar surroundings. Yet, it is through facing these challenges head on that students develop resilience, adaptability, and a deeper understanding of themselves. Despite the inevitable ups and downs, studying abroad is an adventure unlike any other. Weekends are spent exploring ancient ruins, hiking through picturesque landscapes, or simply soaking up the local atmosphere at caves and markets. Every outing is an opportunity for adventure and discovery as students embark on new experiences and create lasting memories. Throughout their time abroad, students are not only learning about the world around them but also about themselves. They discover new passions, cultivate independence, and gain a newfound appreciation for the rich tapestry of human experience. Whether it's mastering a new language, conquering a fear, or simply stepping outside their comfort zone, studying abroad is a journey of personal growth and transformation. In the end, studying abroad is more than just an academic pursuit, it's a lifestyle that encompasses adventure, exploration, and self discovery. It's an experience that challenges students to step outside their comfort zones and embrace new perspectives and become global citizens in an increasingly interconnected world. 31st question, read statements 1 and 2 and choose the correct option. Statement 1, while studying abroad, students are constantly immersed in the local culture of their host country. Statement 2, students often spend their free time exploring their host country. C. Both the statements 1 and 2 are correct. 32nd question, choose the incorrect statement. Students studying abroad have no opportunity to learn about the history and traditions of their host country is wrong. So option A is the right answer. 33rd question, what are some of the personal growth opportunities that studying abroad offers? Studying abroad offers the chance to build meaningful relationship with people from other backgrounds. In addition to learning about the outside world, students are also learning about themselves. Option C, students embark on new experiences and create lasting memories while studying abroad. All of these, option D is the right answer. 34th question, choose the correct pair of synonyms. Immersion, consciousness, grapple, release, tapestry, open, picturesque, nebulous. Immersion consciousness is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. 35th question, which of the following are the challenges faced by students studying abroad? First one, vivid landscape. Second one, cultural differences. Third one, adjustment. Fourth one, substantial kinship. Fifth one, homesickness. Sixth one, language barrier. Seventh one, exotic cuisines. Cultural differences is right. Adjustment is right. Homesickness is right. Language barriers is right. So option C 2, 3, 5, and 6 only. Option C is the right answer. For questions 36 to 40, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Aryan. Aryan was known for his kind heart and adventurous spirit, always eager to lend a helping hand to those in need. Despite his humble upbringing, Aryan possessed wisdom beyond his years, a quality that endeared him to all who knew him. One day, as Aryan wandered through the village square, he stumbled upon an old, dilapidated well. Curiosity piqued, he peered into its depths and was startled to see a faint glimmer of light emanating from below. Without hesitation, Aryan lowered himself into the well, descending into the unknown depths below. As he ventured deeper into the darkness, Aryan's heart raced with excitement and trepidation. Finally, he reached the source of the light, a magnificent chamber filled with glittering jewels and precious treasures of every kind. Mesmerized by the sight, Aryan began to fill his pockets with riches, his mind awash with thoughts of wealth and prosperity, but as he reached for yet another jewel, a voice echoed through the chamber, stopping him in his tracks. Who dares to disturb the sanctity of this place? The voice boomed. Startled, Aryan turned to see an ancient spirit hovering before him, his eyes gleaming with a mixture of anger and sorrow. I mean no harm, noble spirit, Aryan stammered, bowing low before the apparition. I only sought to explore the wonders of this place. The spirit regarded him for a moment, its gaze softening with understanding. You are young and curious, Aryan, but you must learn that true wealth cannot be found in material possessions alone. It told solemnly, the treasures you seek are but fleeting shadows, while the riches of the heart endure for eternity. With a wave of its hand, the spirit conjured a vision before Aryan, a vision of a world filled with kindness, compassion, and generosity. He saw villagers coming together to help one another in times of need, sharing what little they had without hesitation or expectation of reward. As the vision faded, Aryan felt a profound sense of clarity wash over him. He realized that the true value of his journey lay not only in the jewels he had sought, but in the lessons he had learned along the way. With a grateful heart, he thanked the spirit of its guidance and made his way back to the surface, leaving the treasures behind. From that day onwards, Aryan devoted himself to a life of service and selflessness, using his gifts and talents to uplift those around him. And though he never again ventured into the depths of the well, the lessons he had learned there stayed with him, always a reminder of the true meaning of wealth and the power of the human spirit to transform the world for the better. 36th question, choose the correct option that lists the character traits Aryan possessed in the story. Wisdom, adventurous spirit, pretense, kind heartedness, vanity. Wisdom is right, adventurous spirit is right, kind heartedness is right. So, option C is the right answer. 37th question, choose the incorrect statement. Option A, initially Aryan was excited and eager to collect the treasures, thinking of wealth and prosperity. Option B, the spirit told Aryan that true wealth is found partially in material possessions as well as in helping others. Option C, it dawned on Aryan that the real worth of his expedition was not the gems he amassed, but rather the lessons he learned. Option D, while meandering around the village square, Aryan stumbled upon a dilapidated well. Option B, the spirit told Aryan that true wealth is found partially in material possessions as well as in helping others. Option B is the right answer. 38th question, read statements 1 and 2 and choose the correct option. Statement 1, the ancient spirit responded to Aryan's intrusion with a mixture of anger and sorrow but eventually softened and imparted a lesson to him. Statement 2, Aryan saw the villagers helping each other in times of need in the vision conjured by the spirit. Both the statements 1 and 2 are correct. Option C is the right answer. 39th question, why did Aryan venture into the depths of the well again? Because he had already had enough wealth, because he got scared of the ancient spirit, because he learned a lesson of selflessness and service to others, because he didn't find that ancient well again. Option C, because he learned a lesson of selflessness and service to others, is the right answer. 40th question. Choose the correct pair of synonyms. Option A, piqued, provoked. Option B, trepidation, fortitude. Option C, emanating, sucking. Option D, sanctity, depravity. Option A, piqued, provoked is the right answer. Spoken and written expression. For questions 41 to 45, choose the correct option to complete each conversation. 41. Jim, why do you always dash about how Mark makes money? Alex, sorry, I will definitely come up with something new to talk about. Option A, hang tough. Option B, harp on the same string. Option C, have money to burn. Option D, hear it across the grapevine. Option B, hop on the same string is the right answer. 42. Boss, however, the work is tough. We have to dash to get to finish the line. John, sure, sir. Option A, splash out. Option B, soldier on. Option C, sound in. Option D, spark in. Option B, soldier on. 43rd one. Albert, I saw a boy waiting at the door of my house, and in no time. Option A, asked him what his name was. Option B, asked what his name is. Option C, asked him what his name was. Option D, asked what name was his. Option A, asked him what his name was. 44th. Timothy, there is a possibility that the release of the notorious gangster dash some riots in the community. Option A, have spark off. Option B, may sparking off. Option C, will spark off. Option D, will be sparked off. Option C, will spark off is the right answer. Option B, takes a grain of salt. Option C, takes one's lumps. Option D, takes the cake. Option D, takes the cake is the right answer. Fourth section, Achievers section. For questions 46 and 47, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. 46th one. While the political leader was canvassing, someone threw a bomb, causing dash and lots of screaming. Option A, malapropism. Option B, pandemonium. Option C, abomasum. Option D, collasium. Option D, pandemonium. Meaning of it is wild and noisy. 47th question. Annie's teacher punished her for being dash in the class, but she still continued talking. Option A, loquacious. Option B, efficacious. Option C, decorous. Option D, laconic. Option A, loquacious is the right answer. Meaning of it is talkative. Choose the correct synonym of the given word. 48th, outre. Option A, archetypal. Option B, prosaic. Option C, aberrant. Option D, wanted. Option B, aberrant. Meaning of it is departing. Choose the correct antonym of the given word. 49th one, jar. Option A, cherubic. Option B, infidel. Option C, agnostic. Option D, heretic. Option A, cherubic is the right answer. Meaning of it is innocence. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. 50. 50th question. John. During the intense negotiation, the team was dash awaiting the final decision of the sponsors. Option A, on cant hook. Option B, on grappling hook. Option C, on tenter hooks. Option D, on fish hooks. Option C is the right answer, on tenter hooks. Meaning of it is waiting nervously. So we are done with IEO of Class 6 question paper set A, which was held on 26th September 2024. I hope it will be useful for those who are going to appear on November 8th. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, children. Bye, children.